Guys, I want to show you one of the coolest products that I think is on the market, and it's called the Aimwin E14 compact flashlight. This sucker is powerful for the size. It has 3,000 lumens for the max output, and at 300 meters is the range. It's really compact, and it packs a punch. The Aimwin E14 has 4 different lighting modes. I'll try to show you to you here. You turn it on. See how bright it gets? Low, medium, high, and ultra high. One thing that you have to be cautious about it, because it's so powerful, you'll see the hot warning here, that if you leave it on the ultra high mode, this tip will get hot. But what's really cool about it is if you look right there in the middle between the 2 lamps, right there is a sensor. So if this is being blocked, that sensor is being blocked by something, it will automatically dim down to prevent it from getting too hot and catching fire or whatnot. So that's a really cool safety. Another thing that they have that's a safety feature on here is it has a lockout. And what that does is that, say that you carry this in the pocket, which I do. I carry it like my pocket knife. What you do you turn it on, so it's on, and then you half press, and then it goes to red. Look, it doesn't turn on now. So if you have this in your pocket, see how it's being pushed? It's flashing there, saying it's in lockout mode. That's really cool. So if you happen to be sitting with your pocket and you're driving a car or whatever, and your pants and your Levi's gets kind of cramped up against your hip or whatever, and tries to turn it on, it won't. But it's really easy to turn it off, the lockout mode off. You just half press it and then hold it down, and to see how it's going through its cycle, and it's back on. Super easy. What I like about it is if you forget how to lock it or unlock it, it's right here on the flashlight. The battery lasts for 55 hours on here, so when you're on a camping expedition, you don't have to worry about it dying on you. So all you have to do is recharge it when you get back to a charging bank or whatnot, but it lasts for 55 hours. It's also IP54 rated, which is dust and water resistant. It utilizes 2 UHI 20 LEDs for a maximum output of 3,000 lumens. Super bright. Uses precise metal orange peel reflectors to perfectly combining long range with wide angle illumination. So that's really good too. The peak beam intensity of 22,500 CD with a max throw of 300 meters. Talk about power. 4 brightness levels to cycle through. 1 button customizes the turbo or the insta strobe, and the strobe mode uses randomly changing frequencies for stronger dizzying effects. Talk about safety in a small package. It has the battery indicators and the light indicator on here towards what beam you have it selected at, all the way up to high. It has an intelligent lithium battery charging circuit with a USB-C charging port. It has intelligent brightness level memory function, which means that whatever level that you have it selected to, when you turn it on, it goes back to that level instantaneously. It has 2 lockout modes to prevent this from coming on or a kid playing with it. Construction is made from aluminum alloy with a HA3 military grade hard analyzed finish. It's really well made. You can tell that this is not plastic, it's metal. And if you're a klutz like me, this also has an impact resistant up to 1 meter. To activate the strobe or turbo mode, I have it programmed for strobe right now. You push that button in, you have to hold it, and that's the strobe. And like I said, it changes frequencies. So you can see out right now that it's changing by the flashing of the strobe. This is a very unique safety feature in such a compact package. The buttons are very accessible. It has a very robust clip. Now I want to show you the comparison of the flashlights that we typically use in our truck camper RV life when we go camping. So these are the flashlights that I typically carry on hand. These are very bright flashlights and they're very user friendly, like the Aimwin E14, but the biggest difference is how the size is. This thing is big. This thing's heavy. It's not really compactable enough to put in my pocket. This is the same. It's a little bit smaller, but it's still got some heft to it. This being smaller and more looms is definitely the ticket to go, in my opinion. It's a lot more easier just to stick in my back pocket or my front pocket next to my pocket knife or whatnot. This thing is definitely one of the coolest gadgets I've seen in a while. To give you an idea about what I mean about pocket knife size, this is the pocket knife that I typically carry. And I'm a big fan of orange because I'm always losing stuff. So this is the exact same size as the flashlight. So when I have this in my back pocket or my front pocket, this can go right next to it, or vice versa, front or back pocket. This is a smaller pocket knife that I also carry sometimes, just to kind of give you another idea. So these are not small, okay? That one's the palm of my hand, and that's the same size as the flashlight. Pretty cool, right? Some of the things I want you to take away from this is that the performance of up to 3,000 looms in a 300-meter beam distance and a maximum runtime of 55 hours, wow. That's all I can say is wow. The ultra slim design, the lightweight and highly portable. Since this flashlight packs a lot of power and has multiple modes, running on continuous high or strobe mode will cause the body to heat up. This is completely normal behavior for performance of this flashlight, but please use caution during extended use. Again, it comes with the heat on here, and it does get hot when you have this on the turbo or strobe mode. Aimwin is giving exclusive discounts to our subscribers, so we will put a product link in the description. We want to thank everybody for watching, and if you got anything out of this, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out, and we'll see you next week.